welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair makeup reviews and tutorials. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell below so you can get notifications on my latest uploads and tutorials. I'm really excited today because I'm going to be dyeing my hair for the first time in like probably almost a year now. It's been a little while. I decided to just give my hair a break. This is my complete natural hair. It's like a very dark brown. I wouldn't say it's necessarily black. This is basically what I'm working with right now. So I'd say maybe this is like a 2, probably a 2, level 3. We're gonna be lifting this to hopefully a level 7, level 8. I'm gonna be going back to blonde. We're gonna be playing that out with this bob haircut that I have. And I'm really excited to have this transformation. This hair transformation is gonna be broken into 2 sections. So for today's video, I have the hair bleaching process, which is the most important because that's the only way we're gonna get anywhere with this dark hair that I have right now. So here today I have some products from Clairol. I have their bleach and their Shimmer Lights 20 volume developer. So I'm gonna be using these today and seeing how well it goes with this dark hair that I have. And hopefully it turns out. That's basically what the plan is. Kind of like going for these kind of vibes in terms of what style, lift, color I'm going for. So we're gonna aim for that. If it doesn't turn out exactly like that, that's okay. I'm pretty much all right with whatever might come out of this. So without further ado, let's get bleaching.
So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to brush your hair. Afterwards, you're going to separate it in half, pretty much beginning on top of your ear, and clip it up. Then go ahead with your Shimmer Lights Plex Lightener and add it into a bowl. The ratio between developer and bleach is going to be 1 to 2, so you're going to measure 2 parts of developer, and you can go ahead and mix that up. Make sure you mix it really well so that we don't get any clumps. And before bleaching, always remember to wear gloves and protect your skin. So I started off by applying the bleach about 1.5 to 2 inches below my root line. If you've never bleached your hair before, it's really important to know not to put bleach directly onto your roots. Basically, the heat from your scalp is going to activate the bleach to work faster, and you'll end up with really uneven hair. So basically go around this whole section and make sure that you coat it very well in bleach. And then to make sure that we don't end up with really harsh lines, I add water to blend the roots and the bleach together. After you've applied the water, you can go ahead and pull out some sections underneath. The thinner you have these sections, the more success you're gonna have with this bleaching process. You have more control over where you're applying the bleach and that you know it's gonna be evenly distributed all throughout your head. From here, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna repeat the same process that we just did, applying the bleach 2 inches away from the roots and making sure that you have both sides of the hair strands covered in bleach. And then making sure that you're applying water to the top of where you applied the bleach just to blend in your roots and the bleach section that you just painted. Basically, you're just going to want to keep repeating these steps until you've done your entire head. It might take a little while, but I swear the more patient you are doing this, the better the outcome that you'll have. One thing that I will mention that I forgot to do, make sure that you're wearing a towel to protect your neck. The bleach will start to kind of irritate your skin at some point, so really important that you protect your skin. I forgot to do this because I hadn't really dyed my hair and bleached my hair in a while, so if you forget this step, you'll realize that your neck is slightly starting to burn. So please protect your skin using a towel. So it did take a little while to get it all finished, but I swear the time you take is so worth it. Once it was all clipped up, I basically let it sit for about 30 minutes and then washed it out with shampoo and conditioner. And then this was the result after 1 session of bleach. It turned out really even, really good. My hair was still super healthy. The roots were exactly the way I wanted. I still wanted some darkness there. The bottom layer of my hair was a bit lighter than the top, but that's okay. And then there were some areas that I did kind of mess up where I missed out on the bleach. So I went out again and did another application. Basically this time around, I went ahead and did some balayage highlights, just freehand painting on highlights onto my hair. I highly recommend that you not do this unless you are experienced painting your own highlights or feel comfortable doing this with a brush. Otherwise, I would recommend using foils or using a highlighting cap to create this. I wanted to have more dimension to my hair, more texture, so it wasn't all one plain color. Once the highlights were all done, I let it sit for half an hour.
All right, this is basically what we're working with right now. I realize I look like a lemon head, very like citrus. So this is what we have right now. I'm really impressed actually with how well the Shimmer Lights bleach worked on my virgin, very dark, nearly black hair. Honestly, for how much that it lifted, it feels actually still very healthy. Very surprised about, considering I had to do this in a few tries. Overall, I think it came out decently well, considering I have not dyed my hair blonde in quite a long time, like from full black, dark brown to blonde. It's always been, you know, root touch-ups or anything like that. So basically, you know, everything turned out mostly even. There are some spots that I do need to fix. So the good thing is that it is easy to fix the areas that are a little bit less even, that, you know, I may have gone a little bit too high where the bleach just decided to run a little bit. So there's some choppiness happening over here. That's my own fault. It's not the product's fault. I just didn't really remember how to do hair for a little while. So I really liked the Shimmer Lights Plex Lightning Kit. It worked beautifully in my opinion. I mean, for now I'm still orange, but we're gonna be toning the hair using a Wella toner, and that's gonna be coming up. Overall, I think this worked out pretty great. When I touch my hair, it feels still relatively healthy and it feels good. We like that. So basically what I want to do next is try to get this to be a little bit more smooth, particularly with the areas that I applied the most bleach, like this side. What did I do? Oh my God, this is a mess. Basically what is going to happen next, I'm going to be applying a Wella dye. I believe it is a 7 light blonde. Basically kind of like a dirty blonde is going to go in the middle section here, and that's going to blend my roots to this kind of, I don't even know what to call this, caramel popcorn. So we're gonna be blending that all together, and I'm really excited. When the video is available, I will put it in the link up here, or I will put it in the description box below for you to check out. If you are going to be dyeing your hair from, you know, basically this super dark brown that I have on top to a light blonde, I highly recommend using these Shimmer Lights bleach packets. They are incredible. I feel like I've not had something work as successfully before that has not damaged my hair as much. The next thing that I'm gonna be doing is using the Shimmer Lights Plex treatment. So basically it's described as a Plex enriched treatment for less breakage and shiny conditioned hair. It says use after lightening with Shimmer Lights Plex Lightener, which we did. Apply the treatment to towel dried hair and leave on for 10 minutes and then wash out with shampoo and conditioner. I feel like this is really gonna enrich my hair and make it feel more revived. It already feels pretty good as is, but I feel like it's just gonna give it that extra like boost. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informative for you if you were planning on dyeing your hair and doing a complete transformation. Make sure to remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!